Transformative. Whatever you design, it should sow an influential seed. Your product should embody self-sufficiency. Self-sufficiency is diminishing in the modern world. My grandfather used to repair his family's shoes. My father used to fix the family car. And yet, such activities are becoming less common because of the nature of modern products. There are also many attempts to discourage people from being self-sufficient. There are manufacturers who will tell you, you shouldn't try to repair this because you might get it wrong and injure yourself. Or you must download this update because if you don't, your machine will get hacked and all your money will get stolen. But for the most part, these warnings are nonsense. They just serve to create dependence, when what we really need is more independence. And this is why it's essential that your product is something that an individual can fix quickly and easily. It should also advance people's knowledge and skills, because these form the foundations for self-sufficiency. And a good place to begin is your own design team. Today, there's often quite a separation between design and manufacture. A product gets designed by someone sitting in front of a computer, and yet nothing ever gets repaired sitting in front of a computer. So when you have a prototype that doesn't work right, or a product that breaks unexpectedly, the thing to do is to take it, put it on the table in front of your design team, together with some simple tools, and say, fix this. And when it comes to the future owner of your product, people love to learn. So with a smaller, simpler product, you can offer affordable spare parts, good repair manuals, maybe videos showing people how to swap the components. And with a larger, more sophisticated product, you might want to establish an owners club where people can get to know each other and swap tips. Or courses on use, maintenance and repair, because the more you share, the more people feel part of a movement. A repairable product can also bring a lot of local work and local benefits. Today, you can find ghost towns, and I don't just mean towns with high unemployment. I mean towns with derelict houses and abandoned factories and streetlights that don't work and potholes in the road. And this is often the result of manufacturing businesses closing down and moving away. And the production moves further afield to larger factories, maybe abroad, and the products are simply bought in to satisfy a need. And the local community loses its sense of self, its pride, its security. And because repair is inherently a local business, it can begin to help re-establish smaller communities. Your product should also enable people to have adventures and tell stories. It should make them think and make them talk, because the more people share their enthusiasm for a product, the more the movement grows. Lastly, it should motivate people to act right now. We have the situation where we're building products which do not endure and making waste and destruction which do. And this is not at all sustainable. And you won't convince everyone. There'll be someone who says, nah, I don't feel like repairing this. I don't want to get my hands dirty. It's cleaner to buy a new one. Or the person who philosophizes and says, there'll always be another Columbus, meaning someone will come along and discover a new resource or a new technology which saves the day. But these problems are far too deeply embedded for us to expect a magic solution. I can smell the smoke from wildfires as I'm filming this. And so it's essential that your product induces and tempts people to seize the day. My closing example is a draadkar. Essentially, this is a go-anywhere model car made out of wire. This one was built by Martin Furstenberg of Pretoria, and I added the segments cut from gears to fill in the sides. Your child can push it along and steer it using this wheel at the back. They can take it around the garden, across the farm, up the mountain. They can carry a cargo, maybe take a teddy bear on a journey. But I think I'll put a camera inside and take you for a ride. You can build a draadkar out of any kind of wire. Thin wires can be twisted together to form the joints, while thick wires can be welded. And when it comes to the wheels, there are many different options. These are standard shopping trolley wheels, but I've seen home-built cars which use wooden discs or large bottle caps. And you can add decorations by tying them onto the frame with wire. You can attach beadwork or sections cut from metal number plates to form opening side doors. And should the draadkar get damaged, it's a very different scenario from the frustration you face trying to fix a plastic toy, because a plastic toy rots in the sunlight, losing its strength and has no standard parts. But with a draadkar, the most common problem is that a child falls over on it, distorting the frame. And then the parent and child can straighten the frame together, pulling out the distortions and adding extra wire for reinforcement if necessary. And this joint repair experience is very valuable. It can begin to transform the way people think about consuming too much in the world.